dependent drop down. Go to data validation. The shortcut for data validation is Alt DL. Fruits, comma, vegetables. Indirect is a formula to give a reference to a particular cell. Welcome to my channel once again. So today we learn about dependent drop down. So this list consists of different types of fruits along with their name and different types of vegetable along with their name. We want to bifurcate on the basis of a category of fruits, berries, melons, vegetable. So to do this, we need half the data in this particular format. So here I have bifurcated the data in fruit segment, the types and the name of the type of fruit. So for example, if it's citrus, orange, grapefruit, mandarins and limes. So similarly, I have bifurcated all this list into a doable format. Similar I have done for vegetable as well. Okay? Go to data validation. The shortcut for data validation is Alt DL. Select list. Here I'll mention fruits, comma, vegetables. Press enter. So if you see, all the cells in this column have two drop downs available. So one is fruit, one is vegetable. Vegetable. Select the area what you want to name as. Go to vegetable, control V and press enter. Okay. Now next. Select the whole area of what you want to data validation to. Alt DL. Here I'll mention as list. Next would be is equal to indirect. Indirect is a formula to give a reference to a particular cell. Indirect here I'm giving as A2. Bracket close. Okay. Now if you see, if you select fruit, it is giving type of fruit: citrus, stone fruit, berries and melon. Now if I select vegetables, it is giving me types of vegetable. Copy paste it, copy, select the range what you want to name, enter, enter. Melons, fruit selection, fruit. Okay. The data validation, Alt DL, list is equal to indirect B2. Bracket close, enter. Name related to roots have been showcased in this drop down. If I select marrow, thanks for watching this video. Do write in the comment section for any query or any particular topic you are looking to learn. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.